we discuss the stimulated emission of process. In this process, how to stimulating generated of photons we can see. The incident of photons in excited state goes to the de-excited state and falls down in the ground state due to external energy required for this processing happens. So this process is called a stimulated emission. In this stimulated emission, the number of photons generated from one photon in the form of multiplication. So now today we are going to start new topic, properties of stimulated emission. So in this stimulated emission, number of properties we can study in this lecture. First property is the process of stimulated emission is controllable from outside. This stimulated emission of process can be controlled from outside because in this process the photons will be generated due to extra energy required from ground state from excited state to ground state level in the form of multiplication form of one photons generated, number of photons generated. So in this stimulation process due to forced vibration phenomena, then the stimulating emissions can be controlled from outside. Second property is the photon emitted in the same direction as that of stimulating. Photons will be generated, that stimulating process will be occurred in that manner that this direction will be one photons is generated in the form of two photons. So third property is the emitted photons exactly same frequency, phase and plane polarization of the as the incident photon. In these properties, the emitted emission of photons exactly in the manner of same direction will same frequency will be occurred. Fourth property is the light produced in this process is directional, coherent and monochromatic. These properties we discuss in detail in next topic. So now I will tell you this directional phenomena, the light laser passes through in the straight directions. So directional phenomena will be occur. Is a coherent, the beam of light source will be coherent, monochromatic formation will be generated. So fifth is a light amplification and sixth is a high intensity. So in this properties we discuss in detail in this lecture. So light amplification. In this light amplification process, the amplification of process generated due to outstanding features will be occur in this process due to multiplication of photons. See in figure, one photons will be generated in the two formation. Then this second photons will be generated in the two manner. In same direction phenomena will be generated, and this multiplication process number of photons will be generated in diagram. So one photon will be hitting and excited state atom will be generated, or number of two of photons will be emerging. This way can be we get the number of two photons formation will be generated. The photons are in phase and travel along the same direction. In this phase we can see the photons travel from same direction. These photons also travel in same direction. Then due to formation of stimulated emission, the photons will generated in will be also in the same direction. So two photons stimulate two excited atoms. Two photons will be generated two excited atom. One is ground state and second is excited state. Four atoms of photons turn stimulate four excited atoms and generate 8 photons. This way it will be stimulated and generated number of formation of 8 photons. These photon generating phenomena will be occur from the due to amplification of process. In this light amplification process, the light can be amplified in the number of formation of the atoms stimulating process, and one atom photons will be generated two photonic atoms. So in this way the multiplication formation of process will be generated. So next is see light waves generated in the medium due to the initial waves. See in figure, the waves will occur in the manner of initial for phase. The waves are coherent and interference constructively. Due to formation of stimulated emission of process, the waves occur in coherent and continuously formation of that sine waves will be generated without any disturbance. Thus we can see a continuous materially generated. So next topic is high intensity. Next property is a high intensity. In this high intensity of phenomena, the constructive interference pattern, the number of waves will be generated. So in this generating of waves, net intensity of the resultant light will be proportional to the square of the number of atoms that in that process emitting of light. So that resultant process will be the constructive interference of the waves is denoted by I total is equal to n square of I. So this will be interference pattern phenomena. The incident of light will be generated in the number of emitting of light sources. So light producer stimulated emission is very high. In stimulated emission process, light intensity process will be generated in a very high intensive phenomena. That intensive phenomena causes the high intensive of that photon process. So next is steady state will be generated in this high intensity phenomena. Stimulated firstly happens the stimulated spontaneous emission, and this processes will be generated from the due to a collection of thermal equilibrium. We get the stimulated absorption phenomena. The before spontaneous phenomena, these incoming photons will be present in ground state. So in this way the after this stimulated emission stimulated absorption process, the ground state atom goes to the excited state. So in this spontaneous emission of process, no photons will be generated. The atoms already present in the excited state, and this excited state atoms will be goes to the ground state. See, and outgoing formation of photons will be generated. Next steady state reaches the stimulated emission. In this stimulated emission, incoming of photons in the present in the excited state, and due to stimulating emission of process, the two outgoing photons will be generated. So in these processes will be goes to the steady state state reaches from absorption, emission and stimulating absorption, spontaneous and stimulated emission of process. The due to that thermal equilibrium of process, the atoms in the lower level and upper level will be present. Due to excited states of emission of photons, spontaneous process will be generated, and it can be induced the spontaneous process in the form of stimulated emission, and in the another excited state will be generated. And due to this stimulated emission process, one or more photons one photons will be external applying force in the form of two photonic formation of generated. So stimulated of photons is absorbed, and stimulating emission of triggered level process will be generated. The photons will be high probability being absorbed and than that of the excited state of atom, because the population occur from n1 larger than n2. So in this way we can study in detail the properties of stimulated emission. So in this high intensity of properties, how to three processes can be reached in steady state, we detailed manner can be studied. So thank you.